Hello friends, welcome to MDCZ. Today I request you not fast forward this video and watch each and every second of this video. It's necessary to understand the theory. Today I am going to explain the details about rumored WandaVision villain Mephisto. Who is Mephisto, what are his powers, and if he is a part of WandaVision, then how is he connected to it? All the questions will be answered in this video, so watch it till the end. Before we start this, if you didn't subscribe to MDCZ, please hit the subscribe button to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll get instant notifications update of our new videos. Now without wasting your time, let's start this video. Since the WandaVision show has been started, everyone has started making their theories of the show's villain. Some say it's Wanda herself, some say it's Agnes, some say it's Mephisto. Today, I'm going to discuss the details about Mephisto. People think that Mephisto is a devil. Mephisto is not devil, but he could be. He is a demon. Mephisto rules over the underworld dimension called Hell. Mephisto called his pocket dimension Hell, but it's not the Hell of the Christian religion. He exploits the evil nature of us human beings in this extra dimensional realm. Mephisto trades human souls and offers them power or anything they need. Mephisto is not a Satan, but he allows people to believe him to be Satan. Mephisto will do whatever it takes to get his hands on as many as human souls. He can lie, he can cheat, he can do anything for it. Mephisto is the one who's offered the power to the man so he can take his revenge, who is later known as Ghost Rider. Mephisto is the one who created anti-heroes like Ghost Rider and Demon Hailstorm, who were supposed to serve him, but they both rebelled against him. There are only a few souls that succeeded in escaping Mephisto's prison and reunited with their bodies. Defeating Mephisto is not easy for anyone except the person who possesses the same kind of power but from the opposite force, just like Doctor Strange, who is a master of mystic arts. As we know, Mephisto makes deals with others and the terms aren't always as they seem. Mephisto can alter space and time, but that's not it. He can also manipulate others' memories. He can do anything to fulfill his wishes, and he is the one of the most untrustworthy characters in Marvel Universe. The last point is important. Now, how he might be connected to WandaVision. Here, what I think is, Wanda was traumatized by the recent events and she lost herself. Then, she somehow managed to make a deal with Mephisto and asked him for a simple life with Vision. Mephisto accepted Wanda's deal and created a fake extra-dimensional realm for Wanda. Still, while doing that, he used his powers and manipulated Wanda's memories about this deal. And as I told you, he sometimes manipulates others' memories to forget the deals. He manipulates Wanda's memories so he could take advantage of it. Wanda started living her life within the mysterious environment. If you remember the helicopter toy scene, I think Mephisto is the one who is behind that. He stopped the sword helicopter from ruining his plan. He also has control over Wanda because of the deal. So whenever someone or something tries to contact Wanda to help her remember the past, Mephisto uses his powers and manipulates the time, just like the Beekeeper and Monica Rambeau. They tried to ruin his plan and he stopped them. He stopped the Beekeeper by altering the time and stopped Monica by forcing Wanda to throw Monica out of the fake reality. Mephisto was controlling everything, and that's why Wanda couldn't get rid of the stock, because Mephisto created it to keep an eye on Wanda and his children. When Vision and Wanda discussed the recent odd events and started realizing that something is wrong, and when Mephisto realized that, he immediately altered the time and manipulated their memories. It's Mephisto's pocket dimension, so he can do anything that he wants. Remember that. Now, what is his motive behind all this? I think Mephisto did it for the children's. Wanda is one of the most powerful beings on earth who is suitable for his plans and also weak at that time to tackle him. That's the reason behind Wanda's super fast pregnancy. Mephisto is the one who is the ruler of this realm. He also forced the people around her by trapping them inside Wanda's reality. He'll keep this going till the time comes to take the kids from Wanda. As I told you, the writer of WandaVision stated that the end of WandaVision will be so emotional. So it's a possibility that in the end, Wanda will realize Mephisto's plans, and while stopping him, she'll gonna lose Vision again. And maybe her kids also. I'm not sure about her kids though, because I think Vision is already dead, so when the time comes, he'll be gone. But the children, they are born in that reality. Maybe they still will be alive in the end. Later, Doctor Strange might help Wanda to tackle Mephisto's deal problem, which leads them into a multiverse of madness. Or, Wanda will team up with Doctor Strange to help him and also to take revenge on Mephisto for what he did to her. I think Mordo and Mephisto will be one of the villains of Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness. This is just a theory which almost clears lots of questions. If I missed something or if you have questions related to this, then comment down below please. If you think this is a very promising theory, then please hit the like button and share this with all Marvel fans. Don't forget to subscribe to MTCZ and press the bell icon to get instant updates of our new videos. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do whatever you want to do guys. Just be safe and be happy.